Hey, what's up, guys? No, don't go. It's really a tech review, I promise. Today, we're taking a look at this baby. Welcome back in my shower. Today, we're reviewing the Tronsmart Element Splash, which is a small, wireless, waterproof speaker that's really easy to use and that sounds great. Let me show you. So, all you have to do to turn it on is to press the power button for 3 seconds. Got the blue light. Then you pair it with your device, and once it's paired, all you have to do is press play. Oh, I got a call. And by the way, with this little speaker, it's really easy to take a phone call thanks to the little microphone in the front. All you have to do is press the play pause button, and you can start talking. Let me take this one. Hello?
Hello, my little muffin.
Oh, hi, Mom. I can't talk to you right now. I'm in the shower. I'll call you back later, okay?
What?
Yeah, okay, bye. Alright, let me just finish washing myself and I'll show you more things about the speaker. There you go, fresh and clean. So as I was saying, this little speaker is really easy to use, and the internal battery gives you 10 hours of playtime on one charge. And it only takes 2 hours to charge it. And don't be fooled by its size. This little thing is quite powerful. Let me show you. And did I tell you that it's shockproof? Don't worry, it's fine. I bet it still plays. Let's go check it out. Maybe a few scratches, but still plays. Now this little baby comes in black and cool blue camouflage pattern. Now let's see what's in the box. So first we have the nice little speaker, cool blue camouflage. Then we have the charging cable and a nice little carabiner that allows you to hook it up to your pants, your bag, your bike, and even your shower. And one more thing, if you have 2 of them, you can pair them together and have them play the same music from the same device, and it makes your party that much bigger. And finally, how much do you think one of these little babies cost? No, man, that's way too much. Right now, they're only $21.99 on geekbuy.com, but who knows for how long. If you want to know more or actually get one of those Tronsmart Splash speakers, you'll find the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech product reviews and other cool stuff.